7 News is celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month by recognizing all of you paving the way in our community. Tonight, Betty Calvo-Torres introducing us to a judge who's breaking glass ceilings.
After 15 years and thousands of criminal cases under her belt as a city court judge, Judge Betty Calvo-Torres is stepping into a new role. She's the first Western New York Hispanic to achieve the office of the New York Court of Claims judge.
It's important for us to recognize when these firsts occur so that they not be the last.
But this isn't the first barrier she's broken. In 2007, the Binghamton University and UB Law graduate was appointed to the Buffalo court bench by Mayor Byron Brown, becoming the first Latina to sit on the bench.
By far the most fulfilling role I had in city court was presiding over a drug court, mental health court, and veterans court. There I was truly able to help people by referring them to counseling, referring them to housing, referring them to whatever it was that led them to be where they were.
Judge Calvo-Torres also worked on domestic violence cases. In her new role as Court of Claims judge, she's sticking with criminal cases while also expanding her scope. She was sworn in during a ceremony on July 27th in Erie County Hall.
My hope is to ensure that every person who walks into this courtroom feels and knows that their concern, their gripe, whatever it is, that they were heard. While they were heard, they were treated with respect and dignity.
But all of this didn't come easily. For Calvo-Torres, it took hard work and determination.
Whatever your passion is, work hard, and you too can do it.
The 52-year-old was raised by her mother, who was born in the Dominican Republic. Growing up, Calvo-Torres faced adversaries, including poverty and domestic violence.
A girl who grew up in Harlem in subsidized housing with a mother who was first-generation immigrant to this country and who worked as a factory worker would have become a judge. That was surreal.
What have been your challenges?
Well, I think it's always hard to be the first, of course, right? And it's always hard to be the only one. Sometimes it can be a little lonely in that respect. It's always tough to be in a room where folks look at you as if you represent an entire culture or an entire race. And so there's this constant, I wouldn't say pressure, but certainly an awareness of who and what you are and what you represent, and a mindfulness of the need to do so in a way that is dignified and meaningful.
Betty Calvo-Torres, 7 News, Buffalo.